There is a moment, just before everything begins, when the world feels still. From above, everything changes. Lines become stories, light becomes emotion, and places become memories. We chase that feeling. The silence before the wind, the sound of the world breathing, the rhythm of life unfolding below. We search for perspectives that can't be seen from the ground. Every frame is a vision, every flight, a new way to feel. Not just what you see, but what stays with you. This is more than a view from above. This is Vertigo.